This was the problem I was having with my workflow, and I'm sure many of you are facing a similar situation when coding with LLMs. I've used tmux for years to manage switching between various projects and the various code editors and terminals I have associated with those projects. It's efficient, organized, and fast, and I love it. But when I started using LLMs for coding, it just wasn't enough anymore. Before, I would more or less just stay in one project, switching occasionally. After all, I am one man with one mind and two hands. There is only so much I can do at once. But then LLMs happened, and then we realized we have idle time whilst an agent is working on some task, which seems like the perfect time to spin up more agents across more tasks, across more tickets or projects. And soon enough, the competition for your attention is starting to look like an aggressive flock of seagulls after your chips. That's not to mention those enticing social media posts, news stories, and shorts feeds that would also very much like your attention. You've got 5 minutes maybe while Claude does its thing, and your brain's fried anyway, so why not just scroll for a bit? So my workflow ended up looking like this, constantly switching between open tmux sessions, trying to remember which ones had Claude instances running that I needed to follow up, constantly rechecking the ones I didn't need to be following up, and forgetting to check ones I did need to check on, and never having what felt like any meaningful restful moments because my brain is frantically trying to keep track of so many open loops processing in the background across so many different contexts. And when my brain gets fried like this, it tends to want to do low effort things like look at YouTube shorts, which unfortunately tends to make my brain feel even more fried. This was a vicious cycle. It was unproductive and unrestful, which created more of the same. But through some workflow changes and simple tools, I've managed to address this and create quite the opposite situation, a virtuous cycle that has led to a much higher level of productivity and at the same time, greater feelings of restfulness and well-being. I've addressed this through multiple angles, but the biggest one has been creating an organized way to manage my attention across however many instances of LLMs I have running across however many different projects. Quite simply, I was looking to offload the manual orchestration of my attention I always had running in my own head to some automated process that I could trust to do the job for me. So here is an example of how my terminal might look when I'm working. I've got a few different projects running in different tmux sessions. Some of these will have LLM agents running, some won't, some will have multiple, some will have some that are finished running. The key benefit is that I don't have to worry about that anymore. I can just be doing whatever it is I want to be doing in whatever session, and when an agent anywhere becomes blocked on something or is finished, I will be notified in two ways. One way is on my tmux status line. It will always show how many instances of Claude are running, but have been viewed, how many are currently running, and how many need attention. And for the ones that specifically need attention, it will tell me the specific tmux session name. This works well if I have my terminal open, but for the case where I have some other app open or I'm using my web browser, it will also pop up a macOS notification. But this does still leave a couple of slight problems. Maybe I dismiss the notification because I don't want to deal with it right now. Or maybe I'm in the terminal and can see I have running instances of LLMs, but I still don't know precisely where they are, so I still end up having to jump around between sessions and terminals within those sessions trying to track things down. So I also have this window I can pop open that simply lists all of the instances I have running, and the icons indicate the state of each of them. I can select any of these and will instantly be taken to the specific session and terminal that contains that instance. The result of all of this is I have a system now where I can entirely offload the open loops in my head, worrying about trying to keep track of everything that is going on. I know I have a process running that will grab my attention when it needs to, and I have a reliable way to keep track of everything I have running at all times. So this lets me focus purely on whatever it is I want to be focusing on rather than keeping track of all of this. There are other workflows and processes I have used to help with the burnout-inducing tendencies I had developed around LLMs, but this is probably the thing that has had the largest impact so far. Now, back in the old days, I might have shown you how this was built. Maybe we go step by step through the code on how you can implement it yourself, but I think that's a bit pointless now. I built this system with an LLM, you're probably going to do the same thing, and you shouldn't even implement it in the exact same way I have anyway. It should be tailored to your own personal workflow and environment. So what I'm doing now is creating these handoff documents that capture the important context, ideas, and gotchas from when I implemented this on my own machine. You can pass this handoff document to your own coding agent, and it will provide the relevant context to your agent along with instructions to help tailor the solution to your machine. So I'll have a link for you to grab this from my website in the description below, and you can grab it for free without having to enter in your email address or anything like that. But if you do want to enter in your email address to join my newsletter and get future workflows and handoff documents like this, you can do that too. And if you found this video useful, please consider a like or subscribe before you go, and I hope to see you back here again for the next one.